Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real Talk English.
We're so happy you're here to listen and practice with us. I'm Maya.
And I'm Alex. Today, we're just going to have a nice, slow chat like two friends. The topic is something everyone knows.
First day nerves. That feeling when you start something new.
Yes, a new job, a new school, even a new class. We're going to talk about that feeling. But first, Maya, how are you today? You look a little tired.
Do I? Maybe a little. I didn't sleep very well last night.
Oh no. Why? Too much coffee?
No, not coffee. My brain was just too busy. I was thinking.
About what?
Well, my niece, Chloe, she's 10 years old. She started at a new school yesterday.
Ah, a big first day.
A very big first day. She was so nervous the night before. She called me on video chat. Her eyes were so big. She said, "Aunt Maya, what if I can't find the bathroom? What if I have no friends?"
Oh, poor kid. That's the real stuff. Did you give her good advice?
I tried. I told her my story from when I was 10 and my family moved to a new town, my first day at that new school.
I didn't know that. Was it bad?
It was interesting. I remember my mom made me my favorite lunch, a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with the crust cut off, and an apple.
Good mom.
The best. So I had my special lunch in my bag. That made me feel a little better. But then I walked into the classroom and the teacher said, "Class, we have a new student. This is Maya. Let's all say hello."
Oh no. Everyone looked at you.
Everyone, 25 kids, all staring. I wanted to hide behind the teacher. My face felt very hot.
I know that feeling. Your face is hot, your hands are cold.
Exactly. And then the teacher said, "Maya, you can sit there." She pointed to an empty desk right in the middle of the room, so I had to walk past all the kids in complete silence.
Ugh, that is a long walk.
It was the longest walk of my life. But then something good happened.
What?
I sat down, and the girl next to me, she leaned over very quietly, and she said, "I like your shoes."
Really? That's it? I like your shoes?
That's it. Just 4 words. And you know what? It changed everything. It was a small thing, a very small thing, but it meant one person saw me. One person was friendly.
That's amazing. Such a small sentence can be so powerful.
It really was. At lunch, I was nervous again, but that same girl, her name was Sophie, she waved at me. She said, "Come sit with us." And just like that, I had a friend.
So your advice to your niece was, look for the person who likes your shoes?
Kind of. My advice was, first, bring a good lunch, something you love. Second, remember that everyone is looking at their own life. They're not all looking at you. And third, be open to a small, kind word. Give one or receive one.
That's perfect advice for kids and adults. My big first day story is not from school. It's from my first real job after college.
Tell me.
Okay. It was in a big office building. Very quiet, very serious. I wore my new suit. It was a little too tight here, pointing to shoulders, and my new shoes. They were so stiff.
New shoes are the worst on a first day.
They really are. So I'm walking to my new desk, and my manager is showing me around. This is the kitchen, this is the printer, and I'm trying to remember everything. I'm smiling, saying, "Great, yes, I understand."
Nodding too much?
Nodding too much, like this, "Yes, yes, yes."
I can see it.
Then we get to my desk, and my manager says, "Okay, the team meeting starts in 5 minutes. You will introduce yourself." Just like that.
No, with no warning?
No warning. My heart, it started beating so fast I could feel it in my ears. Boom, boom, boom. What do I say? "Hello, I'm Alex. I'm nervous. My shoes hurt."
What did you do?
I sat at my desk, and I did one thing. I took a small notebook from my bag, and I wrote 3 words.
What 3 words?
I wrote, breathe, smile, names.
Breathe, smile, names. I like that.
Breathe was for me, to remember to breathe. Smile was for my face. And names was my goal. I thought, just try to remember 1 or 2 names. Not all, just 1 or 2.
Smart. A small, possible goal.
Yes, so in the meeting, it was my turn. I stood up, I took a breath, I smiled, and I said, "Hi everyone, I'm Alex. I'm really happy to be here, and I'm excited to learn from all of you." Short, simple.
And then you sat down.
And then I sat down, and my manager said, "Thank you, Alex." And we moved on. And you know what? After the meeting, 2 people came to me. They said, "Welcome, Alex." I tried to remember their names, Sam and Jessica. Sam and Jessica were my shoe compliment that day.
That's a really good story. I like your 3-word plan. I'm going to use that.
It's simple, right? So for all of us, when we have a first day, what is the real problem? What are we afraid of?
We are afraid of the unknown. We don't know the people. We don't know the place. We don't know the rules.
Yes, and our brain says this is dangerous. But it's not dangerous. It's just new.
So we have to talk to our brain, say, "Brain, it's okay. This is not dangerous. This is just a new room with new people."
Exactly. And do practical things to help, like my 3 words or your good lunch.
Or just arrive early. Give yourself time.
Yes, being late makes everything 10 times more nervous.
So for everyone watching who has a first day coming, what is one small thing you can do? Maybe plan your clothes the night before?
Or look at a map of the building online.
Or practice one sentence. "Hello, my name is..." It's my first day.
That's a great sentence. Simple and clear.
I think the most important thing we said is this: you are not alone. Every person in that room or that office or that school, they had a first day once. They remember the feeling.
That's true. Even the boss, even the teacher, they remember.
So it's a shared experience, a human experience. We all understand.
Nodding, smiling. First day nerves mean you care. It means this new thing is important to you. And that's a good thing.
That's a beautiful way to see it. The nervous feeling is just because you care.
So, good luck with your first day of school, first day of work, first day of English class. You can do it. Breathe, smile, remember one name.
And maybe bring a really good lunch.
Always bring a good lunch. Thank you for practicing with us.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.